In this video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to make this low poly car in just 2 minutes. If you are too lazy to watch, you can go ahead and download this asset for free, link in the description. Okay, first of all, you have to enable two add-ons, Auto Mirror and Bool Tools. I don't delete this default cube, instead I scale it a bit to get the basic shape. Then I go to edit mode and make some loop cuts. These faces can extrude along the Z-axis to get the hood. Now again I scale the faces to get the shape. It is really good to make a habit to often save your project. Let's add a cylinder with 12 vertices. This cylinder is for the wheels. Then add another cube for the front bumper and duplicate it. Grab along the Y-axis to place the rear bumper. Then I select the main body mesh and go to edit mode. Select the edit tab here and enable Auto Mirror. Auto Mirror is a really handy tool which cuts the mesh into half and enables the mirror modifier. Now I go to vertices selection mode and grab individual vertices and adjust to get some cool low poly look. I add another cube here for the side mirrors, go to selection and separate from the main body so it has the mirror modifier added automatically. Let's add some lights. These lights are just simple cubes. I also added the headlamps by adding a cylinder, this time only 8 vertices. I do insert faces and hit B to remove the boundary. Let's add some details to the headlight. Now I add 2 cylinders to make the holes for wheels. I use boolean modifier to subtract the cylinder shape from the base mesh. Let's add some details to the wheel and the rim. Also I decorate the main body with simple objects. Now we need to add the windows. Again I do insert B to avoid boundaries and add some cool looking glasses to the windows. Now we are basically done building the model. I'm gonna duplicate the wheels and place them into the right sockets. Okay, let's add the colors. If you don't know how to assign materials using a color palette, there's another video for you, link in the description. I quickly add materials to different objects. It is really easy to use this method also to make different shaders. Here I made few different shaders using the same color palette. A metallic shader with a high metallic value, a rough shader with a high roughness value, glass shader with the blend mode set to alpha, and finally 2 emission shaders for the headlamp and side lamps. Generally we don't use few shaders into a single object when building game assets. Instead, we bake all the textures into a texture map with normal maps, roughness maps, etc. to keep the performance. I'm gonna add some nice area lights and a plane as a ground. Now we are done. Before exporting, make sure to set the origin of the wheels to the geometry of wheels, so you can rotate the wheels perfectly around x-axis or z-axis. Here is our final low poly car. I rendered this image in cycles. You can download this model from my itch, link in the description. If you are looking for a bit more advanced low poly models, check out my time lapse of building this water tanker truck. I really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel and join me on Facebook and Instagram. See you again with another quick low poly modeling video.